Welcome back to the next episode of Cooking with Mama Theresa. Today I'm going to show you how to make a dish that was invented by my sister and I when we were little kids growing up in Calabria, Italy. And it's called ham and eggs linguine casserole. Since this isn't one of my mama's recipes, I told her not to intrude today because I'm not going to need her help. And let me tell you, you should have seen her face. I don't think mama could make it through a whole episode without checking up on me to make sure that I'm not screwing up. All right, here's the ingredients that you're going to need. Oh, I picked this up to mount in the kitchen here, but I'll do that later. Okay, here's the ingredients that you're going to need. 2 hard-boiled eggs, 1 9-ounce package of linguine, 1 10-ounce can of condensed cream of celery soup. What is mama doing out there? Well, at least she's not banging on the window. Okay, you'll also need 1 cup of chicken broth, 1.5 cups of cooked ham strips, 1 cup of zucchini strips, a 2-ounce can of pimentos, but you want to drain those, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground thyme, and for your toppings, you want 1/2 cup of shredded Swiss cheese and 1/4 cup of just plain breadcrumbs. And here's the tools that you're gonna need. An 8-inch square baking dish, one of these.
That's a whisk.
A whisk. You're gonna need a colander, and you're going to need a large mixing bowl and a large mixing spoon. And also, you're going to need to pick up one of these What's Cooking Mama aprons at what'scookingmama.net. All right, let's dive into step 1. You want to preheat your oven to 350. And you want to go ahead and peel the shells from your eggs. Okay? Oh my God. Oh, damn it. I guess I didn't hard boil these long enough. I'm gonna need Mama's help. Mama, I need your help. My eggs aren't hard boiled enough.
Ma mi hai detto che non hai bisogno che io ti aiuto.
Mama says, I thought you said you don't need my help. Well, technically, Mama, I didn't say I didn't need your help. I just said not to intrude.
Io non ti aiuto.
Uh-oh, Mama says she's not going to help me. Mama, I know you have hard-boiled eggs in the fridge. Could you possibly grab 2 of them for me, please?
Sempre mi domanda per le ultime cose, l'ultimo.
I should have known better than to tell Mama not to intrude. Now, I'm never going to hear the end of it. Oh, God, what are you doing? Oh, Mama. Thank you, Mama. You even helped me crack the shells. Okay, now what you want to do is peel the eggs. Now you want to peel your eggs. Okay, just like this, guys. Peel your eggs. Okay. Try to get these cleaned just like this real quick. Let's set that to the side and get this last one. All right, guys. There's really no fancy way to peel them. Oh boy. Okay, let's get rid of the shells. All right. Now what you want to do is you want to chop these. Mama usually cuts it in half like this. She kind of pulls a little bit off of it like that. And then she goes ahead and just chops it. Okay, just like that, guys. Just like that, in half. Just like that. All right. And you want to set these to the side for later, okay? All right, and there we go. I'm gonna set these to the side right here. All right. All right, step 2. You wanna grease your 8-inch baking dish. I don't like using spray, so I use butter. And we're Italian. We like to get in there and get messy. So you don't be shy. You really wanna go ahead and grease this pan. All right, real heavy. All right, just like this, guys. And like I said, do it Italian style. Just get everything in there. Grease it really well. Don't be shy, okay? Don't be shy with this, boy, oh boy, I tell you. This is how it's Italians. We do it. All right, it looks like we're pretty good greased here now. All right, after you're finished with this, you want to take your uncooked linguine, okay? And you want to strain it through your colander, one of these, with hot water for about 15 seconds. But I've already done that to this, okay? So step 3, you want to take your mixing bowl, you want to combine your broth, okay, just like that, okay? You want to combine your soup of cream of celery, oh boy. All right, so mix your soup in with your broth. Put it all in there, all 10 ounces. Okay, just like this. There's no easy way. Oh my God, I hope Mama didn't see me. I'll get whacked with that spoon. Okay. And you want to mix this very well, these 2 ingredients together right now. Just do this first. And actually, boy, if Mama only saw me, you should be using the whisk to do this. And you want to blend it very well. And I got to tell you, man, it really smells really good right here. Just these 2 ingredients together. All right, it looks like we're pretty good with that. Now you want to add in your uncooked linguine, okay? Your zucchini, your ham. Oh boy, look at the colors of this dish. Your pimentos, and finally your thyme, okay? Kind of sprinkle that around. All right, now you want to mix these together very thoroughly, okay? Mix them really good. It's not easy. It's going to take a little time here. Okay. You know what? Let me use this spoon or this fork here. So you want to pick it up and try to move these vegetables. Get everything together mixed.
That's called tossing.
Tossing. You want to toss this, like you said. Toss it. Boy, if Mama only saw me. Boy, oh boy. As a kid in Calabria, Italy, you should have seen the mess I would make trying to help Mama and Nona in the kitchen. Boy, they would get so mad at me. All right, I think we're pretty much blended there. All right, now step 4, you want to take your mixture and you want to put it into your baking dish, okay?
That's the end of step 3, Richard.
We're still on step 3. I'm sorry about that. Let's go ahead and pour the mixture right into the dish, okay? Just like this, guys. All right, and kind of just spread it out evenly there. Okay, just like this. All right, then you want to place your aluminum foil right on top of it. And now is step 4. You want to put your dish into the oven that you preheated at 350. And you want to leave it in there for about 25 to 30 minutes. You want to cook it or until it's bubbly. All right. Now, while we're waiting for this to bake, I'm going to tell you a story of the origins of this recipe. Way back when my sister and I were little kids in Calabria, Italy, Mama's cricket team had a match, and we knew she was going to be really hungry when she got home. So we decided to surprise her with dinner, but we didn't know what to make. So we rooted through the fridge and started pulling everything out on the counter. Eventually we found some ham, we found some eggs, and we found some fresh pasta. Well, we started arguing on how to prepare it. I wanted to throw it all in a blender, and my sister wanted to fry it in a pan. Well, we must have been arguing for a while, because all of a sudden Mama got home and dinner wasn't prepared yet. Well, she laughed so hard and appreciated everything that we'd done for her that she took our ingredients, she added a couple of things to it, baked it in the oven, and that's how ham, egg, linguine casserole was born. Now let's check the oven to see how it is. Okay, looks like this is done. So step 5, you want to remove it from the oven. Okay, remove your aluminum foil. And now remember the chopped eggs that we put to the side? You want to go ahead and mix that in. Okay? And Mama says just pick up the pasta like this and kind of just mix it in as you go. Okay, so you can evenly spread it out, the eggs throughout the meal. Okay. And like I said, do it the Italian way. Just get it in there and smush it in. All right, just like this, guys. All right. Okay. Now, step 6, you want to take a small mixing bowl and you want to combine your shredded Swiss cheese, okay, and your breadcrumbs. Okay, and mix these very good, real evenly there. Okay. Now it looks like we're pretty much ready here. So just go ahead and try to evenly put it on your casserole all the way, just like this. Let's just make it quick, Italian style. There we go. And go ahead and move those breadcrumbs around a little bit. You just want to make it kind of even. All right. You want to put the aluminum foil back on it?
You sure about that?
No. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, if Mama only saw me, she would freak out. You want to put it back in the oven without aluminum foil for about, I don't know, a couple of minutes. Just long enough to melt the cheese and make the breadcrumbs golden brown. And that should be about 5 minutes or so. All right. Okay, it looks like this is done. So I'm going to prepare a dish for myself. Okay. Look at that, guys. Look how golden brown those breadcrumbs look. Look how delicious this dish looks. And if you could only smell it. Oh, I'll tell you. All right, let's cut ourselves a piece here. Look at that. Look at those breadcrumbs. Look how crunchy that is. All right. All right. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Look how tender this is. Look at that pasta with the eggs. Look at the crunchy. Here, let me take a bite. It is so delicious. Oh, Mama.
How bad did you screw it up?
Mama, it actually tastes perfect. Oh, here. I got something for you. For you to hang in your kitchen with love and thanks from me, Mama, for always helping me.
Oh, grazie. Ho il perfetto posto dove lo devo mettere.
Mama says she knows the perfect place in her kitchen for it. I love you, Mama. Thank you.
Yeah.
Get back to this. Delicious. Thank you for joining us today. Please let us know on how yours turned out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Amazing Mama's casserole. Look at that.